Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this tiny little Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. We'll see if it's better than the thing it says it's better than. You never know. Anyway, it's a tiny little sample size, 3.9 grams, that is 0.13 ounces. I love sample sizes because, let's be honest, I would never ever use the full thing. If you can't tell by my face, I don't wear makeup usually at work, so it looks a little bit clunky, but that's fun, you know, it gives personality. At least that's what I tell myself. Anyway, if you want to see how I did all of this, then the eye makeup, the dark eye makeup, is in my Makeup Plus Medical Talk video where I talk about what is blood. It's something new I'm trying out, so go check it out. The highlighter is actually Fenty Beauty, a highlighter tryout video, and the eyeliner is actually this little guy, which is Roller Liner from Benefit. So third little video. So I'm gonna zoom you in and I'm gonna film a fourth video because I did not have a lot of time to sit down and film, so I'm gonna film a lot at once, trying different things, and you're going to be right next to me seeing everything being done. So come on closer and let's see how this little thing works. You're close enough? So let's start. So first of all, what does the wand look like? Oh, it's nice. See, a really nice tiny little wand. So let's just go straight into it. Well, normally what I like to do, I like to kind of swoop all the excess off because, I don't know, maybe it's me, but I feel like if I don't do this, it just clumps everywhere. So I like swiping all the excess off my tiny little wand. Well, I tried. You know, look at the tip, I tried. So let's go in and just try it out. I haven't curled my lashes because my lash curler is broken, so let's just go in. Oh no, the whole video is ruined now, and now I'm gonna start crying. Okay, I'm just gonna switch to my other eye and put it on there. So, you know, this happens. This is okay. I'm gonna clean this up later, but okay, yeah, well, let's move on to the other eye. We're gonna ignore this eye, so this eye doesn't exist, okay? So the eye that didn't get completely ruined, I will get it nicer off camera, I promise. Until then, I'm gonna stay like this. So the eye that didn't get ruined, I do like it. The wand is quite big, but it does cover everything quite equally. I like the way I can go into my little bottom lashes, and it also coats everything there. I like the way it coats stuff. I've already said that one, but yeah, I do like it. It's a nice one. Well, I'll buy a big one. No, because I have the tiny one. And now I'm gonna go off camera, fix my eye, fix my whole makeup, and then you'll see me again. So bye bye. As you can see, the eye got cleaned up. Took me a bit. I added a lip color. If you want to see the lip color, then be sure to check out my NARS lip pencil video. That's gonna be added next. And thank you for watching. So overall, I did like this one. If it was not that expensive, I might buy the big one, but looking at how much it is, I am not going to buy a big one. For reference, I usually buy mascaras around 2-3 euros, maximum 5. That's my price range, and that's what I'm comfortable with, and that's where I'm going to stay. So thank you so much for watching my little video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. I hope to see you again soon watching something else. So bye!